back with a brand new rug video. Like I said, you guys know I love anime, and I love One Piece right now. But before I watched One Piece, I really got into Jujutsu Kaisen. I really am a big fan of Jujutsu Kaisen. I'm excited for the movie. And my favorite characters on the show are Gojo, of course. Everybody's simp Gojo. Yes, I am a simp Gojo. I understand that. And my second favorite is Todo. Todo was beautiful. He was so beautiful. He was so good. And then, of course, Sukuna and Itadori. That combo. You just gotta love it. And just the song. I'm in a hana. Sorry, I butchered the hell out of it. I'm deeply sorry. But yes, so spooky season just passed by, and I wanted to make one of the scariest, baddest around town. Sukuna was just the best pick, I think. Sukuna was amazing. I don't know if I'm butchering his name either. That's how I say it. That's how I think it's pronounced, Sukuna. And he was just so sick. So before I used to make rugs, I used to make stickers that I didn't even sell. I just made them just to make them. I actually had a Sukuna slap sticker. And I used that image, put it on the canvas. I didn't reverse it, which I don't know why. Luckily, the image was almost symmetrical, but it still came out clean. I traced that image up because I wanted to make this. I wanted to challenge myself and give myself the confidence to start making these crazy rugs. So I traced it up, took my time, I'm not gonna say they're straight lines, but I tried to be as straight as I could be. Once the image was traced, it looked so intimidating, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was scared shitless. But I said, let's do this. I challenged myself. I said, Jake, why not do this? This is going to be cool if you make this, because this means you've gotten better at what you're doing. So I did. I challenged myself. I don't think I had enough colors to do that, so I was like, let's just start, and then whatever colors I need, we'll go on. So I got the gun ready. I got the yarn ready. Luckily, I still had black yarn from the Flame Fruit rug, so I was like, let's just use this up. Maybe don't need any black. Maybe we'll be fine. So we went in, and I'm telling you, we went in. Of course, before we start, I had to listen to my music. I got the Flame Fruit case from Casetify, from my AirPod Pros. Yes, sir. We had to listen to some music and get into this. Like I said, angles, they could be better. This one angle, I feel like this video's angles were a lot better. So, yeah. Like I said, going into burst, I'm doubling up on my strokes. So one stroke of two strands of yarn, of course, but with one stroke, and then a second stroke to make sure the lines are very defined, especially in Sukuna's face. I wanted to make sure his outlines were very thick so that when I put color in, the black lines weren't very thin. I wanted to make them thick, so just like the image that I drew. Taking my time, bursts, the hair and everything. I was like, okay, let's just do this. Let's just go in. Just pretend it's nothing intimidating. Just do it. Like, I don't know if anybody's done an anime rug like this yet. And if you haven't, do it already, guys. It's super fun. Because, like I said, I don't know. So the only parts I started to get scared were like his little eyes on the side of his face. I was like, dude, this is very small. I don't know if it'll come out as clean. Take your time, double layer it up. Make sure you make it as thick as possible, because then you gotta thicken up the eye with the white part of the eye, and then the color of the eye. Every time I think of you, I put a shot right through it upon a low. It's a problem of mine, but it's a problem I find. Sorry for singing. I didn't realize I was I forgot I was recording. Oh well, you can listen to my beautiful voice. What I want to show you that I was very impressed with was my circle, the center circle of Sukuna's tattoo on his forehead. I was super impressed at how clean the circle came out on the finished product. I was shocked because I suck at circles, especially the little white dots on his eyes that you see me work on. I was surprised that I actually nailed those parts of the image. And here is how I showed you guys my new framework. So all I have to do is just take off the legs on the side and flip the frame over and put the legs back on, and I can work on the other half of his body because I don't want to be bending my back, and if you're like hunched over doing it, I don't think you're gonna get a great image. You're not gonna get a great cut, and so I think you need to be either in a nice right angle straight, going in, not perpendicular. I don't know angles and shit. I barely graduated high school. So I was like, let's just flip it over and do this. And once I did, I felt fine. It felt perfect. It felt right. Home, sweet home. So now we time-lapse me doing the white. Of course you can't see it because the monk's cloth is white and the lighting was kind of dark. Oh well, we did white. The next day, went to Joann's to pick up the other colors I was missing. The colors I was missing was the pink in his hair, and I was missing I didn't have a lot of skin color for the skin, so I had to go buy more color of that, and that was it. And we just went on with our merry way and just continue making the rug. Yeah, I finished this that half. I finished filling in the other half, so now I gotta finish the other half. And once I did that, I didn't really show you guys because it's the same process. I just showed you me doing the eye because the eye is so hard. But I got it. It's done. Get this shit. We're gluing. If you guys do have a recommendation, if you guys are tufters for a better glue solution, please let me know because the glue I'm using stinks and I don't like the way it smells. The smell goes away after a while, but dude, that smell is rancid. I don't know if there's a better glue that I could be using. Once the glue dried, the glue is never dry. So once the glue, you know, kind of hardened, I guess, because it's still sticky, I cut it up. Put the backing on, waterfall stitch. I don't show you guys that because I don't want to show you the full process because it's kind of boring. Trimmed up Sukuna's face, and here is the final image. I thought this came out really clean, and this rug is actually up for sale on my Instagram, so go ahead and hit the follow if you guys do want to purchase this rug. I'll give you guys the size dimensions and everything if this fits in your room. Super clean, one of one Sukuna rug that I've made by Jake's World. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys are tufters, step out of your comfort zone and make some very difficult rugs, because when they do come out and they come out the way you want them to, nothing could be any more satisfying. I'm telling you right now, any tufter will tell you, step out of your comfort zone, because all I want to do now is make these kind of rugs. They're these insane rugs because they just look so. Ooh, I have a peaker collection coming out. After this, I have a bunch of peakers that I've made, and I'm going to make them into my rugs. So I have a Zoro one coming out. I'm not gonna explain. You guys will see the video. I have a peaker collection. Make sure you guys hit the follow. Follow us on our TikTok if you want to watch this in a very smaller format. I don't blame you, but if you like watching a full video on how they're made, that's how they're made. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you follow us on our socials, subscribe, hit the like, and be ready for the next videos. Peaker collection, peaker rug collection coming your way. Be ready, be there, be square.